Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to connect Porkbun domain to Lovable AI step by step. So for the first step, log into your Porkbun account and from the dashboard click details beside your domain. Then you gotta click your DNS records and you will find the domain section, and then you just have to copy the DNS records, and then all you need to do is go to Lovable AI and paste it here or the domains or in the domain section. You will find it there. I'll give another tutorial explaining all the things step by step, as it's a short guide, so I hope it will help you if you have already used any of this websites. So after you did that, come back to Porkbun and paste them exactly. Then all you gotta do is save changes and wait for 15 to 30 minutes for DNS to propagate. And this was it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. And if you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel before ringing the bell. Thank you so much for watching.